Look how the operator makes the chuck turn in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise. The speed selector is placed on the electrical board. The protected switch controls the clamp's opening and closing. By acting in a vertical direction on the switch placed at the upper side of the control board, you can move the chuck holding arm upwards and downwards. The horizontal movement of the same switch controls the tool arm carriage moving outwards and inwards. Tool rotation is made by hand through the relevant locking pin. The tool runs on carriage by hand and is locked in position by means of a manual lever.